Hello, welcome to Mr. Campbell's robotics class. I'm glad to have all of your students in class. It's been a fun, great start to the school year. I see the excitement in all of your children's eyes. They cannot wait to play with robots and do programming. So let's talk about how this class works. All assignments will be posted on Schoology. All tests and assessments can be retaken for full credit. Test corrections are available to all students, and make sure they all bring their chargers for their Chromebooks. Tool lists will be given out later in the school year, depending on the class. We will do some robotics work. It is a robotics and engineering class, so we'll play with coding, building some robots, playing and using cardboard to make markups of robots and other devices. We will be using 3D printers a little later in the school year, so it should be fun and exciting for your students. Our, our program is based on what's called FTC First Tech Challenge, and I'm going to show you a video about it. Here you go.
First Tech Challenge challenges kids ages 12 to 18 to program, design, build, and compete with robots.
Once you get the challenge, you figure out your game plan.
You build a robot so that you can complete many challenges.
Teams use a reusable kit to program robots in a variety of coding languages.
Every year you also learn more and more about coding, so then your code's gonna get better and better.
Personally, I do not learn hearing about it, but hands-on is just go into it. Instead of saying, oh, I know how to build this robot, I can say, I built this robot.
In First Tech Challenge, students are developing a broad range of skills.
Manufacturing, hardware, troubleshooting, but there's also a lot of things that you learn that you wouldn't necessarily think about people skills.
Problem-solving skills,
Helping one another, helping other teams.
The program draws so many students that come in who just want to do the marketing, who just want to do fundraising.
You need to do fundraising because you need to buy kits and parts and everything you need for the year.
And that's a great thing that the kids learn very early on.
The model of FIRST has provided incredible opportunities for the students to interact with professionals.
Whenever I ask my mentors a question, they always flip the question around and ask, where would you find the answer to that question if I weren't here? They slowly built my confidence up so much more to a point where we weren't asking them questions, we were just going.
Each team has to compete at a local event, win awards at the local event, and then they're able to move on to the first championship.
You walk into the room and there's that smell, the smell of robots.
There's different languages, different culture. It's just the best thing ever.
I think it's incredibly important for youth to see careers in science and engineering as a possibility for them.
High school participants have access to over $80 million in scholarships from colleges, universities, and technical programs. First Tech Challenge is one of 4 engaging FIRST programs.
First in one word, wow.
fun.
First is inspiration.
First is amazing.
First is hope.
I would like to say that that video is not true, but it is completely true. First Tech Challenge is amazing for the students. I recommend if you have a student in the robotics class, it would be great if they were to join the robotics team. Everything we do in the class will be part of what the robotics team will do up to the competitions, but we will take the entire year to go deeper and a lot more in depth with the same challenge that the team is doing. So thank you, and I hope to hear from you all soon. Thank you very much.